Hi everybody, welcome back to Laksh Divination. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, according to your zone. Alrighty, let's start with the reading. It is starting with repeating patterns. Alright, the energy is of the echo. Lessons are resurfacing. So this is telling me about a heartbreak, alright, that you had or are having right now. Okay, take what resonates and leave what does not, according to your timeline. This is showing me directly a heartbreak, alright, and you are reflecting on that heartbreak. Literally, something about rainfall is very significant. Okay, I'm gonna relay a channeled message as well. Alright, and in that rainfall, rainwater is coming very, very heavily. Alright, the energy of rain and water. Alright, something about your purification. Alright, inner purification, right? Because of the repeating patterns and closing of the karmic cycles as well that you went through. Alright, you as a soul went through, correct? Exactly, you are reflecting on a heartbreak. Alright, where you went wrong or what happened exactly, and like you are just reflecting on that for your highest good. Cool. With that, I see Ace of Pentacles energy coming in. So you're ready. Okay, you're ready to focus upon yourself and giving yourself that financial stability. Okay, I see a lot of freedom in finances coming in for you. All right, yeah, you're stepping into that energy. Cool. And with Temperance energy as well, emotionally balanced, as I say this. All right, emotionally balanced. All right, Earth Angel energy, who is very patient as well. You have been, all right, you have been waiting for this, all right, to end. Yeah, you were waiting to end something. Okay, or maybe end this cycle, right? You're jumping into new patterns, jumping into new belief system, perspectives, right? Lifestyle, complete different perspective. So rainwater also tells me about, okay, renewing your perspective, right? Perspective about life and about the present circumstances. If you're going through a challenging situation, that doesn't mean that it will prevail throughout your life. That's what I mean to say here. Okay, every challenge comes with a lesson, right? So lessons are resurfacing. 3-3, as I say this. Why they are resurfacing? Something that you have to learn. Okay, still have to learn, and they will keep on resurfacing. Okay, till you learn them, right? So Ace of Pentacles energy again, as I tell you that yes, abundance energy. Okay, prosperity, new beginnings, right? I see you working with like-minded people, collaborating with like-minded people, right? It's a holistic well-being. Okay, you are also focusing upon your overall well-being, be it your physical health. Okay, indulge in herbal teas, right? And then Temperance energy is also telling me that you are balanced from inside, right? Exactly, harmonious, right? Something about your, this is a very crucial time of your spiritual growth. 4-4, as I see this. Then I see Red Room. Okay, so we are entering into a shadow aspect. Okay, something about the shadow aspect of oneself here. All right, with the 4 of Swords energy, so you're quite relaxed. Okay, you're taking it easy, as you should. With the King of Cups energy, something about your resilience. Okay, in the face of challenges, right? So yes, you are in the energy of King of Cups energy. Okay, yeah, you are in the energy of King of Cups with the Page of Cups, and then Devil came out. Okay, like devil flew and just came out on this red room. So something about someone is being haunted, someone you knew. Okay, 555 as I say this, yes, they are being haunted. Okay, something about a Page of Cups energy, your endeavor. All right, this is being watched by the people of Satanic Label. All right, yeah, live horror. This whatever you're creating, whatever is your Page of Cups. Okay, Page of Cups is your creative endeavor, right? New beginning, your exploration, whatever. Okay, exactly, it's your innocence and purity. Devil is behind this innocence and purity, by the way. It wants to crush this purity because they know who you are in spirit. Okay, they know that you possess creativity and imagination, and you are tapping into this, and devil is behind this. Okay, devil, this came in the morning reading as well, that they want to crush this because you are indirectly, attacking these people by telling the truth, literally by telling the truth. Okay, so it's also telling me that Page of Cups energy, you know this. Okay, this is something about your intuition and inner voice coming in, and your intuition and inner voice being your guide and telling you about such situations. Okay, digital shadows also tells me here that somebody is watching you online, okay, by having secret accounts here. This is digital shadows, being in a shadow, okay, but watching you. These people are, the devil is obsessed here with your work. These people are of Satanic Label for sure, okay, and they are watching you here. They are watching you, they are bound by the devil here. They work for the Satanic Label. Literally, it flew and just came into the middle here, right? Exactly. So yes, the devil here doesn't want you to rest, okay? The devil here doesn't want you to be in King of Cups energy and also your Page of Cups energy. Exactly. Okay? Exactly. He sees everything here. And something about white collar dirt. So see how these repeating patterns are affecting your, okay, repeating patterns, okay, whatever. Something about past life. This is past life repeating patterns, okay, is affecting your present life here. So this is going around you, okay. This doesn't have to do anything about you, okay. This is going around you because you, being the child of the Most High, okay, the devil knows that you have a mission here, okay, and they want to do some, they want to dig some dirt, okay. These people want to dig some dirt with, I see, committing organized crimes like white collar dirt here. I see with the Ace of Wands and Eight of Cups. The truth has come, okay. Ace of Wands is also telling me that God gave you the dominion, okay. Yeah, exactly. God gave you the dominion, okay. He gave you the dominion by energizing you, okay, giving you the passion, all right. You took action, right? You took some kind of action, okay. Some kind of action also was taken by the divine forces here, all right. As soon as this white collar dirt, all right, came into the energy, exactly. Now you are going beyond your comfort zone, and with the Eight of Cups energy, I see, yes, you are moving on from the past, okay. You're shedding your old self, in short. Old self in every aspect. With the Judgment and the Magician coming in, whoever tried to dig dirt upon you is under judgment, okay? Exactly. You moving on from the past, 111, as I say this, brought judgment upon these people, okay, with the Magician energy. Exactly. You are the alchemist, okay? You are the master manifestor here, all right? And somebody wanted to use this manifestations for their own gains, material gains, okay? Material gains is the only outcome here, as I told you in the morning's read as well, all right? And yes, this illuminated your intuition, okay? Your intuition is blooming right now. Something about Under the soft glow of the moon, receive the guidance of ancient sages. Something about your wisdom, bro. What did I tell you in the morning? That your wisdom is related to your sacred lineage, okay? Ancient lineage. And their wisdom lights the path to deep insights. So whatever the inner voice and the insights that you are getting in the form of intuitive nudges or downloads or direct messages from your spirit team, okay, that is what is illuminating your intuition right now. All right, that is what is activating your intuition right now. Okay, so with the 5 of Cups and Page of Cups energy now, so as you moved on, somebody is regretting. Okay, somebody is regretting because they couldn't take the full advantage of what they were up to. All right, and with the Knight of Cups energy, I see you are pursuing your creative passion. All right, you have that artistic expression. All right, this is the time to change your perspective, because 5 of Cups is also showing me that you are a little bit heartbroken. Okay, there are already 2 cups beside you, so you should look there instead of what did not go your way. Okay, you should look at what is coming your way, right? So with the Justice coming in and Queen of Wands, Leo energy, all right, bro, Justice and Queen of Wands is something very powerful. Your energy is bringing this justice. Let me tell you that justice is your energy. Okay, your creative endeavor is bringing justice to you. That is what the opposition doesn't want. That's why they do not want you to be in an established position. Okay, this is an extension of the morning's read. Okay, 1440 as I say this, bro. Chosens. All right, chosen. Like literally, I'm telling you that your creative endeavor will bring you justice. With the Queen of Wands, it will literally establish you. Okay, Queen of Wands is somebody who is really authentic in herself, plus she is following her own heart and she is established. Yes, you're gonna be known for what you are doing right now. 15-15 as I say this, and this is what the opposition doesn't want. Okay, 4 of Cups. This is the 4 of Cups for them. Okay, exactly. Like complete regret. Okay, exactly. Stagnation, missed opportunities. They're thinking now that yes, they are stagnated, bro. This is gonna stagnate somebody. That's why this is gonna stagnate somebody for real in real life. Okay, because they wanted to stagnate you and your growth. Okay, 1555 as I say this. And let me tell you that this doesn't only shows their stagnation, but your renewal as well. Okay, renewal and reconnection. This card suggests that by opening yourself to new experiences and relationships, you are renewing your energy, bro. Be it your artistic expression, okay, whatever. I see renewal, as I saw in 3 of Swords energy, that you are reflecting on your heartbreak. Okay, so 3 of Swords energy is not only heartbreak, but the overall energy that is coming in is actually, these were intense emotions, okay, out of unexpected events. I know that the divine forces gave you this information, all right, and that was so unexpected. I know that, but look at the positive side, look at the bright side. Don't you think that if they wouldn't have given you the ultimate knowledge here, okay, of what is going on behind your back, could you ever like walk into this energy? Never, right? You would have never ever, expressed your creativity into such a beautiful channel, okay, such a beautiful medium, all right, and you could have never ever have like imagined yourself as an earth angel, right? The child of, you couldn't have even saw yourself as a chosen, something like that, right? Exactly. So next energy is the karma time, bro. Karma time. Libra energy, Libra season, bro. Libra season. With the Nine of Pentacles, exactly. Karma energy is also telling me that this is not just cause and effect, dear Divine Collective. This is resolving, lessons resolving. See, we started from the lessons resurfacing and we're ending the energy with the lessons resolving here. How beautiful. Yeah, it is what it is, but see how beautiful the energy has come here. Nine of Pentacles with the Five of Swords. You are the Nine of Pentacles, bro. You are. Because that is what you are manifesting right now. You are in the energy of Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is self-independence. Self-independence and stability, okay? You are literally gonna make these Nine of Pentacles by your own self. So you should give yourself some credit at the end of the day, okay? And with this Five of Swords, you're gonna win, okay? This is a defeat of the opposition. With the star energy coming in, bro, ending on a very beautiful note, okay? You are a star energy. Your light team is here, bro. They are watching over you. Beautiful. And a lot of meteor showers, literally. You are not of this realm, okay? You are not of this realm. And with the 10 of coins coming in, this is something you're going to build with your divine counterpart, okay? Exactly. And I see this will be a blessing from your ancestors, okay? 2020, as I see this. Wow, what a beautiful energy. What a beautiful energy. 2020, as I say this is going to come from your ancestors, okay? Your sacred lineage, all right? Earth angels, chosen ones. Bro, you're going to love this, okay? You're going to love this. And this is only going to come, all right? This is only going to come when your ancestors permit it, because your ancestors are working on this with you, all right? Because this is not only just your mission. You are not only the single one here. Your whole team is here, okay? Your angels are here, your archangels are here, Elder Brother Michael is here, okay? The Most High is here, all right? The Holy Spirit is here. The whole gang is here, okay? So your ancestors are guiding you towards this. A very beautiful energy. And the bottom of the deck's energy is for the people who are in opposition, okay? Pay to pay club. So something about bribery rings, okay? Someone has definitely taken a bribe from somebody, okay? To maybe have political favors as well, all right? That's what it is, right? With the Seven of Swords energy. In that bribery also, there is deception. There is deception, okay? Somebody wanted to deceive here with bribery. There is a deception. There is a deception in the bribery. Okay? Or somebody had taken bribery to deceive you. 222 as I say this. Okay. So they had taken the bribery to deceive you. Alright? It can go both ways. Okay? Do not underestimate the previous insight that was coming in. Alright? So now I'm gonna leave you guys with some oracle, okay? Yeah, I want to pull out angel wisdom today. Like, I'm pulling it out after a month, I think. Oh my god, like some nuggets of wisdom, because your wisdom is high, right? Wow. 6 of fire. Victory. Archangel Uriel. Okay, one more. Yeah, 5 of Swords energy came in. Bro. Okay. So let me tell you that, okay. Exactly. This is also telling me that wise choices and that bring public recognition and success, promotions, awards, or scholarships. So yes, 6 of fire is telling me that you are moving towards your public recognition. Public recognition and success is something that is you're destined for, all right? Exactly. And with the 5 of Swords energy, it's telling me something about addictions here, all right? Somebody gambles, okay? Gambles a lot, all right? and an unwise choice. So somebody had made an unwise choice, okay, with there's a better way that will make you happier. Avoid people who lack integrity or who have questionable motives. Exactly. Pay to pay club, bribery rings. All right. So this can be a person you knew in the past, all right, who makes unwise choices. As always, somebody who took bribe to kill and has taken out people. Wow. So let me read 6 of Fire for you. 6 of Fire says you have done an amazing job and everyone knows it. This is no time to be shy, as there's likely to be a lot of attention coming your way. Just smile, be humble and say thank you. This is a card of victory. Clearly you have worked your way past many challenges, okay? And now you get to bask in the glory of your accomplishments. It's time to be a role model for others by letting them see the wonderful things you have created. This card can indicate magical news, okay, such as promotions or an exciting new job. Additional meanings, okay, receiving awards, scholarships, being in the public eye. Yeah, that's what I told you, that you are meant to be in public eye. All right. An offer of help from someone very successful. Wise choices that bring widespread acknowledgement. And this card visually recalls the sun. Okay, exactly. What I also see here is that actually you are here as a representative of the Most High, the chosen. Okay, so exactly. So indicating the success and recognition you deserve. The sun energy. All right. Exactly. And you know, your ancestors are celebrating you here. And one wand is in your hand as well. So yeah, one wand of fire. Okay. So amazing energy. You could love to wear athleisure if you resonate. Okay. Take what resonates and leave what does not. So yes, Archangel Uriel is here, standing by to interpret how your recent accomplishments can help you transform your life. All right. And let me read 5 of Air as well, because it's a warning, some kind of warning to stay away from the people who make unwise choices, okay? Or somebody was literally in your life. Be aware that people around you could have different motives than you do. Exactly. The reasons for their actions may be questionable, or they just might not be in line with your perceptions of how things should be. Exactly. They are not aligned with you. In turn, I'm getting this energy that these people were not aligned with your path. The satanic, exactly, the people of satanic label. Avoid negative people and make sure your own actions come from a place of honesty, integrity. These people had a desire for revenge, okay? Seeking a win-win situation, right? Something not worth the effort. Because these people or your ex-person was not communicating clearly what was going on. Gloating. It's gloating, okay? Exactly. It's time to review your past actions and your future plans to search for a better way. Yeah. And he will see that your prayers for guidance are answered quickly. So please ask for the guidance, okay, from Archangel Sandalphon, and he'll be there. Okay. Amen. Alright, dear Divine Collective, this was the read and this was the guidance, okay? Please ponder upon the messages that I give out, alright? And I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye-bye, divine rising, and ciao.